Hi everyone! So today's video is going to be a autumn decorate with me. I'm so excited. This is like my first autumn decorate with me because our first home. So very exciting. Obviously I've absolutely rinsed HomeSense TK Maxx. So yeah, I'm just going to be decorating the house and you can come along with me. Grab a cozy drink. I've got my Starbucks obviously, and yeah, maybe grab a pumpkin spice of some sort or something cinnamony, a cinnamon roll. Oh, delicious. But yeah, let's decorate.
She's so lovely. She's so lovely.
Woke up wanting you beside me. I don't know what else to say. Ain't no particular reason, just hit by your wave. grab a cup of coffee and listen to our favorite song. I'm such an idiot, I'm pathetic, thought I was moving on. I don't want anybody, I want you. I miss your olive skin, I miss my muse. So if you wanna find me, make a move. I'll send a telepathic message with my coordinates to you. I'm right where you left me, impatiently waiting. The rest of my day went to shit. Wrote a song, but no one's listening to it. It's only times like these when I want you back in my room. Make me feel wanted and a little less confused. 'Cause I'm swimming laps across some memory. I reached the end and circled back, watching reruns of our story while I'm lying on my back. I don't want anybody, I want you. I never talk about it, don't talk to you. But if you wanna find me, here's your excuse. I'll send a telepathic message with my coordinates to you. I'm right where you left me, impatiently waiting. I'm right where you left me, impatiently talk about it, but you're my muse. So if you hear me calling out to you with a telepathic message, baby, you know what to do.